Hi everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, hi, I'm JoJo, and I'm about to show you this berry blush makeup look. I'm starting off with a 3W Clinic skin softener. It includes plum water and hyaluronic acid, and it helps with the dryness of my skin and elasticity loss. I'm going to use Secret Keys Treatment Essence. It helps with wrinkles and helping even out my skin tone. And lastly, to prep my skin, I'm using a super collagen boosting moisturizer. I love this one because it makes my skin feel so soft and supple after applying it, and absorbs so quickly without leaving it greasy. What I also like about this moisturizer is that it is a gel-like texture, and a little goes a very long way. And you can tell because I'm going to put the remainder of it on my hands. We're almost done with prepping the skin. I'm just going to use my Bare Minerals Original Primer, and I'm going to put that over my T-zone and usually where I have large pores. Then I'm just going to conceal with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. And for foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter in 310. I know, you guys are probably sick of me because of how much I use this foundation, but I honestly love this foundation because of the long wear and how it feels on my skin. Cool. Last time I told you I did soap brows, right? Well, this is the box that I use. It's by Neutrogena, and I just use a spoolie to kind of like flatten it out. And to line my brows, I'm using the Etude House brow liner in the shade Black Brown and then Light Brown. For those of y'all who have already been here for a while, you already know what I'm using, but for those who are new, I'm using the NYX Wondersticks in the shade Deep. And I love to use this because it just creates a nice depth for my contour, and then I'm just going to go over it with extra powder and such. Just like right now, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm using a mixture of the bottom 3 shades on the left. Now that we're done contouring, we're moving on to highlighting. I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape's concealer in the shade Medium. Now we're moving on to the eyes. I'm using Anastasia's Prism palette, and starting off with the shade Eden. It's this muted peach shade, and I really like it because it's this neutral soft color, and I chose it because it kind of matches my earrings. Next, I'm going to take Throne and the shade Osiris. I'm going to mix that two together, and I'm going to place it on the inner part of my eye, and then flaring that out to the mid-center. I want to make sure that I'm not adding any extra product to the mid-center of my eye. I'm only using what's left. Now I'm dipping into Pyramid, and then I'm going to place that over my lower lash line. Using Lucid, I'm going to place it on my inner corners to create a highlight. Cool. Now I'm just going to place on some false lashes and see if I like these. Yep. Gonna keep them. Now I'm gonna line my lower lash line with a white or pink highlighter. And now we're on the lips. I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Natural. I wanted my lips to be a little bit more neutral, and I didn't want to really put like a bold color because my eyes were already so busy. So we're just gonna stick with the neutral pink lip. Now I'm showing you 2 different lip colors, but I just decided to use Sun Wash in this makeup look. For highlight, I'm going to be using the shade Booty Call from the Naked palette. That's a wrap. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.